Good morning and welcome to another edition of Hippie Christmas with MrTieDye. So I promised you guys a reveal. These here are this one here is the crop circle from Wednesday. And then, yeah, you can see this one in the sink. That's the other sun, the Sun Tapestry 3. So just another variation that came to me in a dream. Anyways, I'm going to get this opened up and we'll see what we got with the crop circle. A peek. Okay, it looks like we got some good saturation, so I'll open this up. Okay, here we go. Alrighty, so there's my crop circle picture, or tapestry. I'll get this washed and uploaded. Okay, now it's time to open up the Sun Tapestry number 3. Okay, looking good. Let me get set up and open this up. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Okay, there's the Sun Tapestry number 3.